Wait, what's wrong with just colouring it straight? I know when you look like her. I'm gonna have some orange patches. Got a lot of grace, eh? You want to comb it first? Yeah, you give me comb. There we go.
Come back!
Knock me out, man. Oh. Sort of water this Hey, wait. Wait till my brain cells. If the camera cuts out, that means I'll just have to show you guys the end result later.
You can pause this time in the middle. Pause it in the middle.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have you start.
So she's gonna try to tackle the wall. We just have to.
So go away. Trouble maker.
You better come most of this now. I'm gonna get ready.
Okay.
Makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
Sharon,
Spoon.
is that your souffle?
Huh?
Is that your souffle?
No, that's right. Why?
Ah, just what you're getting, you seconds.
No, I had some of this thing pudding.
Ah, is it nice?
It's a little bit.
Oh yeah, I just bought one money before my bottling event is feeding me like trash. It's like,
That money. I used to
now
do
I'm not
that.
forcing my side of the system. Should have done it before. Hello. Hey, I missed your call. What was it? What was it? Do I see? Oh. What time is that for the palace or? I don't know. No, I don't know anything about it. No. All I know is that they do a Boston palette. Yeah. Wait, do I have annual leave to work? Well, obviously, then I'm in. Yeah, I'm in for a bit of MMD. I can't log in from home. Hey? Well, you guys are just no different to where I am. This is what I was telling Paul every time I was getting pulled away. I said, I have not touched that API thing. Oh, it's alright, we've got other plans for meeting and then it's good. Yeah. Well, I didn't learn anything.
Huh? That's lazy to sleep. Oh, gotta put a bit more. Okay.
Hi guys. Well, whilst watching it here, I love my eyebrows.
Look at this, guys. It's like it's black in here and it's brown over here. And I've got a new hairdo, guys. Okay. We're not finished yet. Do I what?
You look nice.
Do I?
You really did. You look nice.
Okay, okay. Looks delicious. As Geneva would say, delicious. What do you guys think? Nice, eh?
I look nice too.
Get down! Thank you, Hopi. You pardon, yeah.
Yeah, you put like a side part then. Yes, like it, I like it.
Yeah, better than nothing. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. I like the colours like chestnut. What would you know? Get down. She's trying to tiptoe. Get down, you midget. Okay. Thank you for being with me while I
Thumbnail mum.
had to do a suawha'i and get my hair dyed.
My eyebrows done.
Different, okay. Okay.
My eyebrows
Thank you
done.
guys. Go away. Okay. See you guys. You guys take care. Thanks for hanging out with me. And learning how to make suawha'i if you don't know how to make it. I love it with heaps of seiko. Don't come for me. Okay? Yeah, okay. Bye. That's it for it.
Did you eat my arm breaks?
Yes, good job.